Hello, this is Bob. I'm founder and producer of the Barbecue Pit Boys. And today I'd like to announce the addition of two more great companies to our family of sponsors, South Chicago Packing and Dravos International Smokehouses. And we're going to be doing some videos about these two great companies and their products coming up real soon, boo. So be sure to stay tuned. Now, get in touch with us because we can help you get your product or service in front of a lot of the fans. And we've got 5 million plus registered fans on multiple platforms, including, of course, YouTube, Facebook, X, Instagram, you name it, we're there. And you'd be able to join the likes of our sponsors in the past and now called Microsoft, Budweiser, Tyson Foods, Walmart, Johnsonville Brats, Jack Daniels, Citrus Safe, Harley Davidson. The list goes on. Join us, right? And become part of our family of sponsors, right? It's going to be great. So get in touch with us on our website, send us an email, and go to our website, and you can find out more information about who we are, where we've been, and where we're going. So remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, and also a way to get in front of a lot of fans with your product or service, check out barbecuepitboys.com. Thumbs up.